Assalamu alaikum. It's your Nova Consulting here, doing a quick video as let's see if you can still hear me. I'm just kind of promoting our new mask that Somali for Kids have actually launched, part of our merchandise. So for those who can't read Somali, is afdabolin wa dahab, dahab, dahab. You know, a closed mouth is golden. Yeah, that's how it literally translates. But basically, as I go for my nice little, try to do daily walks, yeah, just for exercise. But then basically, yeah, I said to myself, since I'm always wearing masks, let me at least get myself a mask from our Teespring store. I'll be honest, it's huge. So for a guy like me to cover his beard and his nose is all good. But for my female followers out there, yeah, that might be too big. But for guys, nice and comfortable. But anyway, just want to say, as we are enjoying this nice Easter bank holiday weekend, to make sure you take advantage of family time, you take advantage of quality time with your kids, with your loved ones, and basically enjoy as we now start here in the UK the new financial year after the rat race. Thankfully, a lot of companies are letting their workers work remotely up until September. Some of them have said permanent. But I had some good feedback in my last video where I talked about what would you do with the whole pay cut, what would you do in regards to staying at home. So it was good, a lot of good feedback. But anyway, it's crazy. We had some great weather. You probably guys have been enjoying my nice videos as I show you different parts of Milton Keynes. We're now going back to the cold. Apparently it's going to be snowing on Monday. Crazy. But it's all good. We just move. We just appreciate every day we get. So that's basically it, guys. Stay blessed. Take care of yourself and your family and your loved one. Till the next time, peace and love. Take care.